What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and today I'm back with a very important market update. These next few months truly could be life-changing for us. But please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
All right, so as usual, I just want to quickly go over Bitcoin. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin has had a very nice breakout. I was telling you guys for a long time to watch this trend line, and we clearly have gotten above it at this point. The only major resistance left is previous all-time highs. Now, what's interesting though is Bitcoin looks fantastic, but if we look at something like Ethereum, Ethereum is yet to break out. And as most of you guys know, I cover a lot of Ethereum and base meme coins on my channel. So a lot of my personal favorite picks and a lot of my community's favorite picks are bleeding. And you have to understand a lot of that is due to Ethereum. Now, the major elephant in the room right now is Donald Trump launching a meme coin on Solana. So in case you guys have been living under a rock and haven't seen this yet, yes, Donald Trump has launched a meme coin. This is enormous in so many different ways. Yes, right now, in the short term, it's having a negative impact on Ethereum and the entire Ethereum ecosystem. But think about this from a long-term perspective. The President of the United States has launched a meme coin. I personally have never been of the belief that we were going to have a meme coin supercycle. That being said, if a meme coin supercycle was going to take place, it would need a catalyst like this. Those of you guys who are panicking right now about certain meme coins, you have no idea how many new investors have just entered the meme coin space. This Trump project has brought millions of new eyes to crypto, and not just crypto, but meme coins. If you look at CoinMarketCap right now, you can see that Ethereum is actually starting to bounce a little bit. When I woke up this morning, it was 3,200. Now it's almost 3,400. But if you look at Solana right now, it's up 43% in the last week. Those are huge gains for the fifth largest crypto. And again, to be clear, Solana is going crazy right now because Trump launched on Solana. And you can see right now that Trump is currently the 18th largest crypto. And I actually started recording this video a little bit too late because Trump had actually flipped Shiba Inu. I was actually making this video to show you guys that it had flipped SHIB, but at this point SHIB is actually back above it. But it is extremely important for you to understand how much liquidity this is taking up right now. Again, I cannot stress this enough. There are so many people who are panicking about Ethereum memes. They're panicking about SHIB. They're panicking about PEPE. But the reason for that is because Trump is going parabolic. I read somewhere that it was a $1 billion market cap 22 minutes after launching. That right there shows you how much hype is behind this project. We have never seen anything like this. And I'll tell you right now, I am very bullish on meme coins, and I love even a project like Dogecoin. But I would not be shocked at all if Trump flips Doge. That's not me telling you that I think it will happen, but it absolutely could happen. I'm being dead serious. We have never seen anything like this before. The President of the United States launching a meme coin. Think about it for a second. Who is actually backing Dogecoin? And then who is actually backing Trump? Now, the question is Donald Trump himself going to actually promote this over and over, or is this just a short-term thing? Who knows? But regardless, this is sucking up so much liquidity right now. But it is extremely important for me to continue to hammer the point that this is excellent for the long-term sake of meme coins. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about by showing you some of my favorite plays right now. For example, a lot of you guys know I love Miggles. Miggles has dropped back down to a $54 million market cap. It had broke over 70 million. You look at something like PEPE, it's back to a $7.2 billion market cap, but it had dropped into the sixes. It might have actually even touched into the fives. You look at something like Hoppy, it's down to a $26 million market cap. Something like Speedy, 4.13. Something like Baby Pepe, 3.4. Based Pepe, 107 million. And Beats on Base, 1.75 million. You just look at the entire Ethereum and Base ecosystem and they're all red right now. And I truly don't understand why so many people are panicking. I get the fact that this new Trump coin is going parabolic, but you have to look at the bigger picture. This is so bullish for meme coins long term. And those of you guys who are questioning whether or not Ethereum is going to die and Solana is just going to overtake it, look at the bigger picture yet again. Which project currently has a spot ETF? Ethereum, not Solana, Ethereum. Eventually, Ethereum is going to break out of this trend line. Is it going to be today, tomorrow, the next day? Who knows? But eventually we are going to get an Ethereum breakout. That's another thing that you have to understand right now. Ethereum has not even hit new all-time highs. Bitcoin has smashed all-time highs and it's ran over 100,000. Ethereum's all-time high is 4,891 and it reached it 3 years ago. And Ethereum is the second largest crypto. Look at XRP as an example. I understand that XRP had different catalysts and it was suppressed for a very long time because of the court case. But XRP took forever to break out, and then all of a sudden it exploded. And right now, if you look at the Ethereum all-time chart, or at least in the last year, it's just a massive parabolic moonshot. I genuinely believe that Ethereum is going to experience something similar. Maybe not quite to the same extent as XRP, but I think Ethereum will have its massive breakout. And when that happens, I think the entire Ethereum ecosystem is going to go parabolic. But in my opinion, it's just like the old saying goes, be greedy when others are fearful. Right now, there's a lot of panic. Take advantage of that. Load up on your highest conviction plays. I'm not saying you have to buy what I talk about, but load up on your highest conviction plays. There are so many amazing discounts because of Trump right now. But from a long-term perspective, Trump launching a meme coin is extremely bullish. All of that being said, though, if you guys are interested in joining a like-minded community, then I recommend taking a look at my Discord. On my Patreon side, I have 3 different tiers, but we have been making life-changing gains in here. I just want to put this out here. My Discord is only 1 year old, and we have already called 6 different 200x projects. And we definitely plan on keeping that momentum rolling this year. So if this sounds like something that's interesting to you guys, I have the link on my YouTube homepage right here. I'd love to see you guys in here. We're building an amazing community. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. At the end of the day, nothing is guaranteed. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, what are your guys' thoughts on meme coins for this cycle? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.